Is £135,000 pension enough at the age of 37 for a decent retirement? To be fair, for the average 37-year-old, they do not have that amount of money in their pension, so it's a very good start. Kudos to that. So I'm 37, and between myself and my employer, we pay £12,000 a year into my pension. That currently stands at £135,000 invested in the FTSE 100. I plan on accessing these funds by the time I reach the age of 60. Is that enough for a decent lump sum and draw down in retirement? Purely a guess, but I'm actually going to work this out for you. I think it's a very healthy start. So let's work this out together. Okay, so you have 135,000. Okay, great. Obviously, you contribute 12,000 a year, so it's 1,000. Bear with me, 1,000 a month. Length of years to retirement, you're 37 now, so 23 years to retirement. Okay. Average return of the FTSE is 8%. Let's just say on a bad year, we get 6, let's just say. Okay, so in 23 years' time, all being well and everything just goes in one particular direction, you'll be left with £1,523,367. So looking at the average drawdown of say 4%, that will give you an annual income of roughly £60,000 a year. So in answer to your question, for me, that is a decent retirement. So well done and good luck.